The Madrid Stock Exchange, Bolsa de Madrid, is the largest and most international of Spain's 4 regional stock exchanges, the others being in Barcelona, Valencia and Bilbao, and was founded in 1831. It trades shares, convertible bonds, fixed income instruments as well as government and private sector debt. Bolsas y Mercados Espanoles owns Bolsa de Madrid. The Madrid Stock Exchange General Index, IGBM, is the main index of the exchange, representing the sectors of construction, financial services, communications, consumer, capital, intermediate goods, energy and market services. The Bolsa de Madrid's benchmark is the IBEX 35 index, which is a capitalization-weighted index that includes the 35 most liquid Spanish equities traded in the continuous market. The Spanish Stock Exchange closed the month of November 2020 with a total of 2,750 listed companies. The listed companies are denominated in euros. Financial instruments available are stocks and warrants, and options are available through the MEF Sociedad Holding de Productos Derivados. Spain's economy is the 14th biggest in the world by nominal GDP and one of the greatest by purchasing power parity. Spain has a mixed capitalist economy. Based on nominal GDP numbers, the Spanish economy is the 5th largest in Europe, behind Germany, the United Kingdom, France and Italy, and the 4th largest in the Eurozone. Spain was the world's 15th largest exporter and 14th largest importer in 2019. Some Spanish corporations have attained international status during the 1990s, extending their operations in culturally similar Latin America, Eastern Europe and Asia. After the United States, Spain is Latin America's 2nd largest foreign investor. Spanish firms have also increased their operations in Asia, particularly in China and India. Spanish enterprises gained a competitive edge over some of their competitors and European neighbours as a result of their early worldwide growth. Another factor contributing to Spanish businesses' success may be the growing interest in the Spanish language and culture across Asia and Africa, as well as a corporate culture that has learned to take chances in volatile markets. Spanish companies have invested in fields such as biotechnology and pharmaceuticals, renewable energy. Iberdrola is the world's largest renewable energy operator. Technology companies such as Telefonica, Abengoa, Mondragon Corporation, Movistar, Gamesa, Hisdesat, Indra, train manufacturers such as CAF and Talgo, global corporations such as textile company Inditex, petroleum companies such as Repsol, and infrastructural companies such as Ferrovial, Acciona, ACS, OHL and FCC are 6 of the 10 largest worldwide construction businesses specializing in transportation. Spain also has a strong financial system, with Banco Santander and BBVA being 2 worldwide systemically significant institutions. For non-residents, any capital gain from the sale of transfers of assets situated in Spain is subject to a fixed tax of 24%, with a lower rate of 19% if the non-resident is a resident of another European Union nation, Iceland or Norway. Furthermore, anybody staying in a nation of the European Union or the European Economic Area with whom Spain has an agreement for the exchange of tax information has been eligible for the reinvestment of a habitual residence exemption since 2015. It is not necessary for this new habitual home to be in Spain. The European Union's Economic Sentiment Indicators and the Spanish Statistical Office short-term indicators will be the most valuable sources of information for research on Spanish stocks. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.